Oh my god, this is so awesome. Don't take it off. Hello.
Hello, guys.
Oh my god, it's not working for you. Where'd it go? Oh my god, this is so amazing. Do you want any more?
Yeah.
My voice wants to just... Put down. Don't do that.
This is our last balloon.
Hello. Oh my god, this is so amazing. Oh my god, this is... Oh my god, it went away. This is not good. Now I miss helium.
Okay, mister. No more Miss Helium, guys.
There is no more helium in here. Well, maybe there is. What are you doing?
Clear.
There is a little bit of helium left in here because my voice is really hurting. Awesome. Yeah.